I see snow begin to fall.
Hey friends, happy Thursday. Thank you for joining me. I didn't plan to post a video today, but the more and more I thought about it, I thought, Liz, let's take some footage that you did over a week ago. Let's compile it. And my thought is this video that you're gonna see today is going to be a great lead up to tomorrow's video. So that's why I've decided to go ahead and post this. Plus, I think there are some really great ideas that you guys might be able to incorporate into your front porch decor this season. A little hint, remember those branches that were above my fireplace? Let's just say I put them to good use. Without further ado, let's jump into the footage. At the end of the video, I'm gonna share with you a few holiday tops that you might wanna take a peek at. Okay, I'm outside and I am ready to add a little Christmas cheer to the front porch area. One thing I love about the house is the beautiful stonework, and so we are going to accentuate the door and the stonework, as you will see. So I purchased these wreaths from Walmart. They are eucalyptus and berry. I love them. We're gonna change it up in just a moment. But in this photo, you can see that I have found a spot for my branches. Oh yes. Okay, in yesterday's video, I completely forgot to mention that yes, I did end up taking these branches down from the mantle. I could not get them to work the way I envisioned. So I brought them outside and I thought, I wonder if I could use them out here. So I brought over 2 black urns and I thought, I wonder if I could set the branches in the urns to stabilize them. Well, as it turned out, they kept kind of flopping around. So we went and got a staple gun and stapled one of the branches to the wood. Once I got the branches stabilized, I thought, oh my goodness, I need more. So out to the forest I went to gather more branches, which you will see here. And I picked out my favorite ones and I wanted to give it a fuller look. So here you can kind of see I'm playing around with ideas. And I am loving it so much. I just, makes my heart happy. Here you can see a 9-foot Sonoma cypress garland I picked up at Walmart. I ended up using 2 of them. I'm sort of bouncing around this video, but as you can see here, I strung one up top and I'm thinking of how I'm going to attach the second one and make it look good. And here you can see, I actually made it work. I really wanted to double up and give it a more substantial look, but I ran out of garland. Now, in looking at the whole big picture, I decided I wanted to go a little more simplistic because I'm going to be adding a lot to this front porch. Wait for it. But anyway, I just sort of weaved the ribbon down the garland on both sides, and then I did the same on the top. Super simple, but it adds that beautiful festive touch. Now, as I looked at my wreaths, I thought, nope, we need to go in and do a different kind of bow. So that's what I did, and you'll see that in just a minute. So cute, simple, and festive. I love it. Okay, so next I picked up these holiday lights from Lowe's. They're incandescent lighting. I love the way these look at night. No weirdness like the LED lights when you try to film. Here I'm trying to find out, do I want to add the lights to the branches or do I want to leave it just really rustic and organic looking? Wait till you see what I decided to do. So I know this video is sort of all over the place. This is when I was filming when my knee was really acting up. So I was kind of doing things in stages and kind of filming as I was going. But I decided to add spotlights to my urns to not only light up the branches, but also to light up the stone. So right here, I decided to go ahead and add my black welcome sign. I placed it on top of the urn. And I thought with the spotlight, it would not only illuminate my sign, but the branches and the stone. So that's what I'm kind of trying to figure out here. Do I want to just go with the spotlight or do I want to go in and add the white Christmas lights? So on the left-hand side, I also have a black urn with some more branches. They're not as big and bold. And I also put a spotlight on that one. So both sides are illuminated. So as you can see, as I go, I'm starting to add things here and there. There's a topiary with a red bow around it. I've put the lights all through the branches, all through the garland, framing the front door, and to the left of the front door in those branches. The next day, Amazon to the rescue. My new rug, velvet pillow covers, and plaid blanket showed up. Time to dress the front porch up and make it super festive for Christmas with this beautiful diamond rug from Amazon. And you can see I've now added my green velvet pillows, my throw blanket, and my red pillow. So our front porch is absolutely mammoth. So I decided to create a little cute sitting area. I brought out a woven coffee table, a tray, a floral arrangement, 2 chairs, 2 pillows, a shutter, and some bells and garland. And I really think it looks festive in this little nook. I'm going to be adding a spotlight to the right-hand side of the house and to the left side so it all looks, cohesive. But I think this is just darling, and it was a great way to kind of dress up this boring area over here and really make it mesh with the rest of the Christmas decor. I feel like this rug really tied my complete vision together, and I will link it below for you guys in case any of you are interested. I wish I had 2 6-foot nutcrackers, but I'm just using what I have. Moving to the left-hand side of the house, I decided to hang 2 Christmas ornaments, and I added green velvet pillows to my rockers, and I think it's so cute. Oh, and I added the tree and a lantern, so at night it all looks so good. I love it. Okay, so on the left-hand side, I also threw another spotlight behind the Christmas tree. Oh, does it ever look warm and cozy? You guys know I'm always saying, let there be light. And I say that because when you accent and accentuate your decor pieces or, beautiful things on your home like stonework, or framing a front door, or lighting up corners on your home, it's so welcoming and warm and festive. It just says home. I am so happy that I purchased that rug from Amazon because it really brought my vision to life. It added the warmth and coziness I was looking for. And you guys, if you have branches out in your backyard, go run and get some. Throw some lights on them. It's a super simple way to add the wow factor without even having to spend any money. Okay, let's talk Christmas sweaters. I got this Christmas sweater on Amazon. Great quality, has reindeer on it. And Christmas trees, I'll show it to you. I'll put a picture of what it looks like right here. And then I'll show you on me. And then there's this sweater. I don't know, I just saw it and I liked it. And so let me show you what it looks like on the model and then on me. Okay, I showed you guys a sweatshirt a week ago that I got. I liked it so much, I got another one. And this one says North Pole. And I'll show you what it says. It is so cute. And again, I just rolled the sleeves because I think it looks cute that way. Or you can wear them down. And they call it a sweatshirt, but it's really, it's not thick material, which I personally like. It's more of a thinner material, but it's still warm and cozy for the winter time. So I'm a huge fan of these sweatshirts, and I'll link that below and check it out. So I love this shirt. It's like a little bit tighter up here, a little more loose in the stomach. Kind of comes down lower in the front, and then a little bit higher in the back. Got one in red, and I love it for the holiday season. All right, friends, I thank you so much for joining me. And I will see you guys back here tomorrow for a very fun video. Let's just say I'm filming tonight. It's going to be dark. It will be late when I'm filming, and I'll throw it together in the morning and send it out to you sealed with a kiss. So be on the lookout for that tomorrow, probably around 3 p.m. Eastern. Bye.